our demo page here, the page how to play poker.html, let's start actually adding some content. And one important part of your content is of course headings, and that's done with HTML with a H tag. So for example, okay, let's just change this page a little now. We don't actually need the pop-up. So let's remove the JavaScript first of all, just to get rid of the pop-up. So now, okay, let's get rid of this text, pop-up Google, because that's not relevant anymore. Delete. So let's have a heading, a relevant heading. So we want to put it in the largest heading size, which is H1. And there's, different, basically H1 is the largest heading. You can have H2, H3. Generally, well, you may use all three of those, but let's just start with H1 for now. So H1, the closing tag is /H1, and your heading goes there, and again make it keyword rich. So let's say how to play poker, secrets revealed. And then below that, let's have H2. Let's make a keyword rich again, but let's not have too much repetition. So make it slightly different. Let's say and also you've got to focus on the fact that it's content for your reader, so it's got to be interesting as well. Interested in learning and winning poker fast. Okay, that will do for now. So we close the heading 2. So let's save that and let's see how that looks. So basically the heading tags, you're going to use them throughout your page anyway, or you should use them throughout your page if you're trying to make the page search engine optimized. And make sure you include your keyword phrase if you can. Don't have too much repetition, but include your keyword phrase. Make it interesting to read, and also, make it keyword rich for, if you can, other relevant keywords as well. But, especially focus on your main keyword phrase. So let's open that in Internet Explorer. Okay, we want to open on the desktop how to play poker.html. Okay, there's our page. That's the only content on it at the minute there. Heading 1 tag and the heading 2 tag. And as you can see, it's keyword rich. We've already got the keyword in the title, and a relevant and interesting title, and in the headings, well, the main heading and the subheading. And of course, when you're using the standard HTML tags like this, they don't always look very attractive, as you can see. It's not very, the formatting's not great. And changing that is beyond the scope of this video, but what I will recommend is, if you want to make it more attractive, you want to start spending some time with cascading style sheets. And for learning about that, I would recommend, first of all, just go to Google and just type in CSS. That stands for cascading style sheets, which basically means applying styles to your web page. So CSS tutorial. And you'll find plenty there, so you might find that useful and interesting. And that's something to spend more time on if you want to initially create search engine optimized pages and then make them more attractive to your actual surfers, to your actual visitors with extra formatting and styles, and even choosing to position elements on the page in certain places. But spend some time with the tutorials and you'll get more information on that.